Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my channel, then it's me Sabadil and you're watching Almira K89. So hey everyone, today we are driving into the stunning world of fishtail braid. This trending hairstyle is perfect for any occasion and it's super easy to make. So to start this hairstyle, gather the hair from the capet area and make a pony and secure it with elastic band, and then take another section just under your first ponytail, and then once again make a ponytail. Tie 5 ponytails like you are watching on your screen. Now here is the third one. Tie it and then pull it so that it could be tight. Now here is the fourth and the last one, the fifth ponytail, and now pull it, and here you can see I have created 5 different ponies. And now what you have to do is, from your first pony, take a section and split it into 2 equal sections. This is where the magic happens. Take a small piece from the outer edge of the left section and cross it over to the right section. Repeat this step on the right side. Grab a small piece from the outer edge and cross it over to the left. Keep alternating sides. Pulling is more here. You can go for that gorgeous fuller look. So for this fuller look, I am using a pinch and pulling technique as you are watching. When your braid reach to 2 inch long, then stop it there and hold it with your thumb and index finger, and then give it a pull to make it a little fluff like this. Okay, and now once again braid it further. This is a messy fishtail braid and it looks awesome. You can make it on any occasion. And this technique of fishtail braid looks more beautiful because it starts from the top. And this hairstyle is specially for long hairs, okay? This looks beautiful and it goes beautiful with the long hairs. You cannot make it with short hairs. And now continue until you reach the end of your hair, then secure it with a hair tie. For a more relaxed vibe, gently tug on the braid to loosen it up like I'm doing so. Now continue braiding as I told you the procedure. And if you are watching for learning purpose, then please don't skip the video or don't forward fast the video so that you cannot miss any step of the hairstyle or makeup or whatever technical work you are going to learn, because while preparing the video we shared a lot of tips and tricks about our field. And there you have it, your fabulous fishtail braid, perfect for casual day out or a special event. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more hair tips and tricks. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Fi aman Allah.